The oysters are fresh and plump, and the store owner is warm and friendly. He often comes to care about the status of the roasted oysters, and you can eat as much as you want. The explanation given by Ms. Lemon on the long hang was very interesting. The captain kindly showed the tourists a lot of things that they could not usually see. The whole family enjoyed this trip very much and kept saying it was really great and wanted to introduce it to everyone around them. Highly recommended to my friends. Upon arrival, we were warmly received and taught how to grill and eat. The life jackets we put on before getting on the boat were very clean and there was no smell of sweat. The commentary on board was knowledgeable and professional. The boat stopped at a scenic spot and took everyone for a walk on the beach and helped everyone take beautiful photos for the internet. It was a lot of fun. Highly recommended. The store contacted the time the day before, and they enthusiastically led the way before arriving at the location. You can also order a nearby store to deliver roasted oysters to eat. Once you board the boat, you will start a lively ecological tour. The most important thing is to eat roasted oysters. It satisfies the eldest daughter's oyster-loving stomach, and even the younger daughter eats it very happily. The activity experience was very good, both adults and children liked it, the oysters were very fresh, and the captain and the tour guide were very enthusiastic. I have recommended it to friends around me. It was a great experience. Because the boat was about to sail, we were allowed to board before paying. The guide explained very seriously and was not impatient. His enthusiasm for work was gratifying. The service at the grilled oyster place was good and he explained how to grill it enthusiastically. Excellent value for money. The best choice for independent travelers. The kids couldn't bear to leave after having fun, and have already made a reservation to visit again in July during the summer vacation. Thanks again to the Boss brothers for their professionalism and warm hospitality. I'm not afraid of you eating grilled oysters, I'm afraid you won't eat enough. Every oyster is delicious and big. I think it's very cost-effective. The scenery out to sea is also very beautiful. I recommend everyone to come and play. Super recommended itinerary, boat ride plus grilled oysters for only $250 is really a good deal. We arrived early and baked 2 baskets first, and then baked 3 baskets when we came back from the boat. From the time it rained until the rain stopped, the proprietress also gave clams as a gift. Fat oysters, clean environment, friendly service. It was a very special experience. It felt good. We had a lot of fun. The tour guide is knowledgeable and humorous, the merchants are friendly and enthusiastic, and the activities are. A beautiful ecological journey, with beautiful scenery along the way, which makes people feel physically and mentally comfortable. It is recommended that families with children can come here for educational fun. It was delicious and fun. The tour guide was very attentive during the trip and I learned a lot about ecological knowledge. The roasted oysters were delicious and big. It was very good value. The additional high-speed rail ticket purchase costs 250 Taiwan dollars per person. The time is much longer than expected, but in fact we are all on a boat and there is not much scenery to see. We boarded an island and stopped at the beach to grill oysters, which was good, but we only had 1 round. Although it was said that it was all you can eat, after I finished eating, I didn't replenish the food. I started eating at 14:30 and lasted until 15:50. I boarded the ship at 16:30 and came back from the island at 1800 hours.